Today I'm going to perform the measurement and uncertainty lab. The equipment I'm going to use is a 10 millimeter graduated cylinder, a 50 millimeter graduated cylinder, a 25 milliliter Ellery flask, a 250 milliliter beaker, a thermometer, 2 cups, and a scale. In the first activity, I'm going to turn on the scale and measure each of these equipment. So I'm turning on the balance and I'm tearing it so it could go down, so it could stabilize at a reading of 0. So I'm gonna label these 2 cups, cup 1 and cup 2. You gotta make sure the balance is stabilized at 0. I'm measuring cup number 1 and it's reading 9.7, about 9.64 grams. Now I'm gonna read the weigh it out another 4 more times so I could get the average weight of the cup. So that's number 1. Number 2. Number 3. So I'm gonna repeat the steps again for cup label number 2. So I'm tearing it, make sure it stabilizes at 0. The initial weight is 9.82. I'm showing 9.91. And the last one. Now, as I got all 5 readings for both cups, I'm gonna try to determine the average weight of the cups by using the formula deviation from average equals the average mass of the cups minus the mass cups in trials. Now in activity 2 is determining the uncertainty in common glassware. I'm going to use these 4 different types of glassware: the flask, the beaker, and the graduated cylinders. I'll turn on my balance and allow it to stabilize at 0. So I'll tear it, make it get at 0. So I'm going to place the 10 millimeter graduated cylinder and record the mass. So it's showing around 9.26 grams. And now it's saying to add 7 milliliters of water. So with the pipette, I'm gonna add 7 millimeters. And I'm using the pipette so I could get a better reading at the cylinder. So I don't want it to be struggling trying to get the 7 millimeters. So I'm tearing up the scale so it could get to 0. And with the 7 millimeters of water, I'm reading around 16.20 grams. So now I'm going to repeat the steps for the 50 milliliter graduated cylinder. I'm reading about 29.33, and after this one I gotta add 24 milliliters of water. After this one, I'm gonna just pour it until I get close. So now I'm gonna weigh the 50 ml graduated cylinder with the water in it. I'm getting about 52.96.